The cracks are showing, and the name everyone is whispering is Tagore. While the party pretends to be united, Tagore's camp is working overtime to drive a wedge between President Idi Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga. The strategy is old but effective. Make the two principals fight, then move in. Sana pena mashuko blanyi kwa chizimara za Mosha is Tagore causing division in the party. ED versus Chiwenga explained. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Makome shimzana ansa blanyi rachiti. Sources claim Tagore see people have been fanning the flames for months. They feed ED's camp false stories about Chiwenga. They run to Chiwenga's side with whispers that ED no longer trusts him. The goal is simple: divide the leadership. Then President Tagore is the only man who can hold things together. Rallies are being cancelled, ministers are panicking, and in that panic, Tagore's faction moves. Money flows to bloggers who attack Chiwenga's allies one day, then ED's allies the next. It's not about ideology, it's about creating two camps that can speak to each other. That is not the party we know. That is the work of people who benefit when ED and Chiwenga are enemies. A house divided cannot stand, but for Tagore's camp, a divided house means more power, more tenders, more control. The question Zimbabweans must ask: who benefits when the president and his deputy are fighting? Follow the money, follow the contracts. The answer is clear. Tagore is causing division. His people are making ED and Chiwenga fight, and the party is paying the price. Reports are suggesting they are paying elements in the security sector to turn a blind eye to their plan. Doma developments are kudapangwa ine pamusoro pema fights ari kukonzereswa nete Tagore camp. Ina comment section medu dzofundo enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like up on the bell icon.